Good morning. It's 5:35 a.m. We gotta be on the road by 7:15. I just did the ghettoest and we gotta go, so let's just do some quick little skincare. Just stop braiding my hair before I brush my teeth. And what about it? And what about it? The most nerve-wracking thing you can do after you clean up the bathroom, like detail cleaning, is brush your teeth, because all that stuff that get on the faucet is just like bruh. Now, I'm wearing makeup today, so I'm gonna do like a very just moisturizing skincare routine. I'm gonna just splash my face with soap or wash my face with water, because I've been watching Skin Talk, and in the morning all the dermatologists say the same thing, which is just wash your face with water. And ideally you would want to have like a clean towelette in the morning, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that towel. And then I'm gonna use Snail Mucin, and your face has to be damp for that, so this might be COSRX. My skin has been better because of it. Like, these bumps are smaller than what they were a couple days ago. And then I'm just gonna let that soak into my skin. Now that that has sat on the skin, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Niacinamide, just a pea-size amount. This helps with hyperpigmentation. I'm gonna just press that into the skin. I originally wasn't gonna do that. I was just gonna put my moisturizer on top, but we listened to the Lord over here. Holy Spirit was like, Niacinamide. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna let that soak into the skin. 5:43, so by 6 o'clock, I'm gonna be doing my hair. By 6:15, I wanna be doing, actually by like 5:50, I'm gonna be doing my hair. By 6:15, I'm gonna be starting my makeup. By 7:15, we gotta be at the house, so somewhere in there I need to get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Let me shave this off my lip. Hold on. I do have a few wig options. The one I had in mind was this one. However, we're gonna see what type of shape she in, because we don't got that long to be up here fighting with no wig. So don't be looking at my braids. They is good enough for this. It needs again. Because we got a little curly one too that we just need to wait to go. But Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your long hair. I don't know, y'all. What's up? Let's see if we can. Do I even need to curl her? Yeah, I do. Hold on. This is my moisturizer I'm gonna be using. Everything is gonna be linked on my storefront. Everything is linked in my bio. My skincare routine.